Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add more channels in our live chat in Wix website. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using live chat Wix app. So we are using this app WhatsApp and chat button Chaty. So we are going to add more channel like Messenger, Telegram, Instagram, Skype, SMS and many more. So I already installed this Wix app in our Wix website and I already upload video in YouTube, so you can find that YouTube video link in video description for this app, WhatsApp and chat button. So by using that video, you will learn how to add this Wix app in Wix website. Now you see WhatsApp, chat, Messenger, Telegram and 20 plus apps you can add. Now go to Wix dashboard and then you see app. Now you see WhatsApp and chat button, so click on it. So you can access this app by using two methods. You can access by using Wix dashboard or you can access this app by using this link. Now go to website dashboard. So we are using this website, so you can create account and use free plan. Now you see this is our widget we are using. Now go to Wix dashboard. Also you can find widget here. Now you see multiple option. Now go to website and then click on edit. So for now we are using live chat and WhatsApp feature. Now you see Messenger, email, phone, Instagram, contact form. You see multiple option. Now you see X, TikTok, LinkedIn, Slack. Now enable Messenger, Instagram. So you can enable or disable according to requirement. Now you see this is our channels and then scroll down. We added WhatsApp. Now you see Messenger. So you can add your Messenger link. Show on both desktop and mobile. Now you see Instagram, so you can add Instagram DM example. So we are going to add. Now we added link and then click on save widget. Now you see widget updated. Go to website page and refresh the page and then you see live chat, so click on it. Now you see more two option, live chat, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram DM. So you can enable or disable different channels according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.